ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ ደግሞ ይዤላችሁ የቀረብኩት short tricks of finding LCM of numbers ነው። በማየት ብቻ ምንም ካልኩሌሽን ሳያስፈልገን በማየት ብቻ አብዛኛዎቹ ቁጥሮች በማየት ብቻ LCMአቸው የምንፈልጋቸው ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ያንን በማየት እንዴት መመለስ እንችላለን፣ 5 ሰከንድ በማይጨርስ መልኩ እንዴት አድርገን ማወቅ እንችላለን የሚለውን ነገር ነው። So we have some cases. Case 1, when the numbers are coprimes or they are relatively prime, when they have no common factor. Common factor ሳይኖራቸው ሲቀር simply their LCM is their product. ለምሳሌ 8 and 15 are relatively prime. They have no any common factor. So LCM is simply 8 times 50. This is their LCM. So you can see simply by inspection you can answer their LCM is simply their product. Let us see here. 5 and 9 they are relatively prime. They have no any common factor. So their LCM is simply 5 times 9. So you can see there are some questions that you can see and answer them easily. 7, 9, 19. 9 is complex number. These are prime factor numbers. So they have any common factor. So the LCM of these three relatively prime numbers are simply 7 times 9 times 9. This one case. The second case is when there are factors. Let us see. LCM of 14 and 42. We see that 14 is is a factor of 42 because 14 times 3 is 42. So LCM is simply the bigger number, this one, because this smaller number is a factor of this one. So LCM is 42 because the smaller one is a factor of this one. Let us see this one. This one is 4, this one is 8, this one 24. Let us see this one. 4 is factor of 8 and it's 8 is also factor of 24. So this one is the multiple of both. So their LCM is the bigger one, 24 is. Because these two are factors of 24. So 24 is simply the LCM of the three numbers. Let us see here, 11, 13 and 39. Out of these three numbers, 13 is factor of 39. So since this 13 is factor of 39, we eliminate this 13, then LCM will be LCM of 11 and 39. But what are 11 and 39? They are relatively prime. They have any common factor between them. So the LCM will be simply 11 times 39 will be the LCM. This will be the LCM. So we eliminate the number which is the factor of any one of the numbers in the numbers. The third case is simply we select the highest number out of the numbers we need to find the LCM. Then we check if some of the remaining numbers are factors of the highest number we choose. Then we eliminate the numbers which are the factor of the highest number. And the LCM will be the product of the remaining numbers. Let us see using example. We need to find the LCM of 6, 9, and 12. We see that this one is the biggest number, the highest number. Then out of the remaining, 6 is the factor of 12. Then, what do we do? So, we are left with only 9 and 12 because 6 is already cancelled because it is a factor of the highest number. Is 9 factor of 12? No. So what are we supposed to do? We find the multiple of 12 or we find LCM of 9 and 12 means out of the factor of the multiples of 24, the multiples of 12, we need to find which is the number which is the multiple of 9 ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከ12 ብዜቶች መካከል የ9 ብዜት የሆነውን ነገር ለምሳሌ 12 is not a factor 2 times 12 is 24 24 is not a factor of multiple of 9 and let us go 12 times 3 1 times 12 is 12 12 is not multiple of 9 we leave it 2 times 12 is 24 24 is not multiple of 9 we leave then we still find out of the factor of the last number the greatest number until we get the multiple of 9 so 3 times 12 is 36 36 is multiple of 9 so this is the first number which is common multiple of 12 and 9 and also common multiple of 12 9 and 6 therefore LCM is equal to 36 out of the multiples of 12 the highest number the first multiple of the remaining number 9 okay let us see this one so which is the highest number here 24 out of the remaining which of the numbers are factors of 24 3 and 4 are factors of 24 we eliminate them so we are left with 16 and 24 so we go multiplying 24 1 times 2 times 3 times until we get factors of multiple of 16 so 24 is the multiple of 16 okay how about twice of 24 48 48 is the multiple of 16 because 16 times 3 is 48 therefore LCM is equal to what 48 out of the multiple of 24 the first multiple of 16 ማለት ነው okay again here LCM of 15 5 7 and 20 the highest is 20 okay so 5 is factor of 20 we eliminate this one we are left with 20 and 7 but 20 and 7 are relatively prime they have no any common so LCM like previous formula we use 7 times 20 140 okay and again here 3 11 12 and 24 the highest is 24 out of the remaining 3 and 12 are factors of 24 we are left with only 11 and 24 so LCM will be simply 11 times 24 which is 164 this one yes so we can easily find the LCM of some numbers using this technique in a very short time. That's enough for today.